What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your cabin air filter on a Kia Sorento. It's probably about the same for about the 2019 up to about the 2023. The first thing you're going to want to do pretty much is just come to your glove box, which is right here. You want to open up your glove box. Then what you're going to want to do is squeeze on both sides of your Okay, if you can see right here, you pretty much have the box to drop down like that. Now what you want to do is just look back there where the air filter's at. So all you gotta do now is just reach back over to the side, and there's like a little two things that you can squeeze down on right here. You just want to squeeze up and down just like that, and once you do that, this will come out just like that, and right back there will be a cabin air filter. Right here, you just want to reach in there. Let me grab it. You just want to reach inside of there, kind of, and pull it out just like that. Then you go ahead and put your new. Let me go ahead and get it close. You can kind of see. You see your airflow. Make sure that your arrows are pointing the correct direction. Make sure your arrows point in the correct direction when you put your new one back in. So once again, folks, this is how you be changing out your cabin air filter on a Kia Sorento. All you have to do pretty much is drop your glove box, look behind it, take off your little door that was in front of it, go ahead and pull your air filter out, and go ahead and change it. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.